In this video, I'm going to show you how to bass boost on Capcut. So what you'll have to do once you open your Capcut, you'll just have to go to the projects, or you can create a new project example that you want to bass boost on. For example, here I do have a video and audio example. I'm just going to add both. So as an example, we'll have to choose which section example of your audio or video that you want to add the bass boost to it. So as an example, you can just go and make a simple cut, example in this, and let's just say, example, this exact part, let's say I want to add the bass boost to it. Of course, this will work with the video as well. So first of all, if you don't have like the volume increased enough, you can just always go here and increase this a little bit, or you can increase this from here at the top right corner to whatever you want, until of course the voice sounds good for you. It should not be low. And once you select basically your video, at the top right corner here, you should find example of voice changer. Just go and click on that, and as you can see here, you should find voice filters. So you have here a lot of voice filters. You might get, like example, overwhelmed with it. But all you need to do is simply look for bass, low, or electronic, or a boosted effects example. Some versions labels as equalizer. So there's a lot of bass options. For example, this is no bass. You'll be able to apply it. But there are other options, example. So let me just go and look for a bass here. Of course, you'll basically have to do the same, because as we said, there are a lot of filters here, or effects that you can add to your sound. I'm just going to look for it. So yeah, here we are. We have the bass boost. I'm just going to click on it, and I'll be able to lower the strength or add the strength of it. Of course, I'll be able to apply this also to a video. I can go and click on video, click on audio, and click on voice changer, and simply look for bass boost again, click on it, and I'll be able to hear the difference. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.